Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 12x plus 36. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to solve this equation using the quadratic formula. So grab a pencil and paper, and let's get started. To solve the problem x squared minus 12x plus 36, the first step is to recognize that this expression can be factored as a perfect square trinomial. We see that x squared is the square of x, while 36 is the square of 6, and minus 12x is 2 times x times minus 6. Hence, we can rewrite the expression as x minus 6, with the quantity squared. In step 2, we simplify the expression. Previously, we rewrote x squared minus 12x plus 36 as x minus 6 with the quantity squared. To proceed, we set x minus 6 squared equal to 0 since we are solving for x. We need to find the value of x that satisfies this equation. To do this, we take the square root of both sides. The square root of x minus 6 squared equals the square root of 0. This simplifies to x minus 6 equals 0. Solving for x, we get x equals 6. Therefore, the solution to the equation x squared minus 12x plus 36 is x equals 6. This is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped.